Welcome to class 7 mathematics classes. Today we are going to start a new chapter, speed, distance and time, chapter number 12. So here we'll discuss the formulas of speed, distance and time. So let us see. Number 1, speed. Okay, speed is equals to distance by time. The distance traveled by a moving body in a unit time is called speed. Okay, so from this speed formula we can derive distance formula. So distance will be equal to speed into time. Speed into time. Number 3, time we can calculate by the formula distance by speed. Okay, now the units of these are given by the formulas only. Like speed, the unit will be unit of distance by unit of time. Here product of unit of speed and unit of time. Here for time, unit of distance by unit of speed. Okay, exercise 12a, question number 1, convert each of the following speeds into meter per second. Okay, number 1, 90 km per hour. Number 2, 27 km per hour. Number 3, 315 km per hour. Number 4, 16.2 km per hour. The unit kilometer per hour we have to change to meter per second. Okay, so for this we have one fraction 5 by 18. We'll multiply this by 5 by 18 to get the speed in meter per second. Okay, so here solution. Number 1, we have speed given as 90 kilometer per hour. So if we multiply this 90 by 5 by 18, the unit will change to meter per second. Okay, so here 18 1 ja 18 5 ja 5 5 ja 25, so 25 meter per second. So this is what we have converted kilometer per hour to meter per second by this fraction 5 by 18 by multiplying by this fraction. Okay, so number 2, we have speed is equals to 27 kilometer per hour. Similarly here also 27 into 5 by 18, unit will change into meter per second. Okay, so here we can cancel 9 3 ja 9 2 ja 5 3 ja 15 by 2, which is equals to 7.5 meter per second. Okay, similarly we can go for 3 number. We have speed is equals to 315 kilometer per hour. So we'll convert it into meter per second. 315 into 5 by 18, so meter per second it will be. Okay, now we'll cancel this by 3. Okay, 3 6 ja 18, 3 1 ja and 3 5 ja 15 here. Okay, again by 3 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9 and 3 5 ja 15 here. Okay, 35 into 5 by 2, that is 35 into 5 is 175 by 2. So when we divide this we get 87.5. okay, this is a point meter per second. Okay, meter per second here. Now 4 number, we have speed is equals to 16.2 kilometer per hour. 16.2 kilometer per hour. So this will be 16.2 into 5 by 18. So remove this decimal. So 10 will come here in the denominator. 5 by, this is not 8, 5 by 18 here. 5 ones are 5 twos are 2 ones are 2 eights are 16, 2 ones are 2 here by 9, 9 twos are, and here 9 nines are. 9 by 2 is 4.5 meter per second. Okay, so important is to remember the fraction 5 by 18 while converting kilometer per hour to meter per second. Okay, question number 2, convert each of the following speeds into kilometer per hour. Okay, number 1 35 meter per second, number 2 14 meter per second, number 3 60 meter per second, number 4 3.5 meter per second. So this meter per second we have to convert it into kilometer per hour. So here we'll start solution. When we multiply this speed by 18 by 5, okay, a fraction 18 by 5, when we multiply this 35, we'll convert the unit meter per second to kilometer per hour. Number 1, we have speed is equals to 35 meter per second. Okay, so this speed, if we multiply by 18 by 5, 35 into 18 by 5, then this will be convert it into kilometer per hour. Okay, so here we can cancel 5 ones are 5 sevens are 18, 7s are 126, and the unit is kilometer per hour. Okay, so this fraction 18 by 5 while converting meter per second to kilometer per hour we need to remember. Okay, now next is number 2, we have speed as 14 meter per second. Okay, so 14 into 18 by 5, unit will change to kilometer per hour. Okay, so here when we calculate, this is not cancelling, so multiply this 2, we'll get 252 in the numerator, and here 5, divide this, we'll get 50.4 kilometer per hour. Okay, similarly 3 number, we have speed as 60 meter per second. We'll convert this into kilometer per hour. 60 into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. 5 ones are 5, 12s are 12 into 18 is 216 kilometer per hour. Okay, like this. Number 4, we have speed is equals to 3.7 meter per second. Okay, so we'll convert it into kilometer per hour. This is 5, not 7, this is 3.5. 3.5 into 18 by 5, this fraction. Now remove this decimal, we'll get 35 by 10 into 18 by 5. So we can cancel this 2 5s are 2 9s are 5 1s are 5 7s are 9 7s are 63 by 5. So this division we'll get 12.6. We have converted meter per second to kilometer per hour. Number 3, a car travels a distance of 258 kilometer in 3 hours 35 minutes. Here distance is given and time is given. What is the speed of the car? We have to find the speed of the car. Okay, so here given in the question, distance is equals to 258 kilometer, time is equals to 3 hours 35 minutes. We have to convert this minutes to hour. Okay, so for converting minutes to hour, we'll divide by 60. So here 3 plus, okay, 3 hour plus this 35 by 60. Okay, so reduce into simple form. Here 5 7 ja 5 12 ja. Okay, so this will be equal to 3 plus 7 by 12, which is here LCM 12, here 36 plus 7, so this gives us 43 by 12 hour. Okay, time we got 43 by 12 hour, and distance is 258 kilometer. Now we have to find the speed. Speed is given by distance by time. Okay, so formula is this. Now distance is 258 and time is 43 by 12. Okay, so here 258, this 12 will multiply here, and 43 here. Okay, so the product of these two, we'll get it as, now we can cancel this 43 1 ja, and here 6 times. Okay, 43 6 times is 258. 12 into 6 we get as 72. So the speed is 72 kilometer per hour. Okay, so main step is this one, conversion of minutes to hour. Okay, so here we have to be careful. After that, the formula is there to calculate the speed. Question number 6. Rahul cycles at 12 km per hour. How much distance does he cover in 36 minutes? Okay, so here given is your speed and time. Okay, we have to find distance. So here solution, given speed is equals to 12 km per hour. Okay, time given as 36 minute, so we'll convert it into hour. Okay, so to convert into hour, we'll divide it by 60. So 12 3 ja 12, 5 ja, this will be equal to 3 by 5 hour. Okay, so now we have to calculate distance. So distance formula we know, distance is equals to speed into time. Speed is 12 and time is 3 by 5. This is equal to 36 by 5, which is equal to 7.2 kilometer. Okay, the distance unit is kilometer here. Question number 7. Ravi walks at a uniform speed of 4 km per hour. How much time does he take to cover 600 meters? Okay, so here given is speed and distance. We have to calculate time. Okay, so here given speed is equals to 4 kilometer per hour. Okay, and distance is equals to 600 meters. We'll convert this 600 meters to kilometer. So for this meter to kilometer, we'll convert dividing by 1000. This 2 0 cancel, and 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 3 by 5 kilometer. Okay, so now we have speed and distance. Why we have converted this one? Because here is kilometer per hour, so the distance must be in kilometer too, isn't it? To calculate, we know time is equals to distance by speed. Okay, so your distance is 3 by 5 and speed is 4. This equals 3 by 5 divided by 4. Here let us write 1. 3 by 5, this will convert into multiplication, and here is the reciprocal. Now this is 3 by 20. Okay, 3 by 20 minutes. No, sorry, this is hour. Now we will convert this into minutes. So 3 by 20 into 60. 0 0 cancel, 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 3s are 9. So 9 minute. Time is 9 minutes. Okay. Question number 9. Which is more, a speed of 36 km per hour or speed of 10.5 meter per second? So here two speeds are given. (36 km per hour and 10.5 meter per second. Okay, so we have to see which one is more. So let us convert this one into meter per second. Okay, 36 into 5 by 18, the fraction to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. 18 1s are 18 2s are, this is meter per second. So here 5 2s are 10 meter per second. So we can see here 10 is less than 10.5. So therefore we can write 10.5 meter per second is more than 36 km per hour. Okay, thank you very much.